So I finally got this stem off. At least in all them bowls, I even pried it apart. Anyway, it's taking forever to get off here. But I used a screwdriver wedge in here and then turned it with that. Anyway, so they had this in there, which is a good idea. Coiled up in case you turn the handlebars, or in case you pull and pull a little bit, or raise the handlebars or whatever. But then you got this down here, a zip tie holder, right? But the problem is you can't twist it, it's too tight. So it gets binded up down here. So that's probably where the problem was, why they got rid of it down here. Because eventually they're just going to pull these wires out. And that's probably what happened. Because I seen they had everything taken apart, like, oh yeah, look at that. See that one clip right there? It's lower than the other ones. See? You barely see that last one? Yeah, well that's where no power's getting from. That brown one's probably your power. I betcha. I betcha. Anyway, this is no good anyway. That is funny. That is very funny. Oh, now I got an extension for something. So yeah, just letting you guys know. What's up, bird? Hey birdie, what you want, a worm? Huh? Oh baby. Take her easy. Come right up to me. Alright, later.